upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of products and save your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving into the murky waters of floor cleaning with a showdown between two very different contenders: the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop and the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell SpinWave comes in at a whopping $154. That's a lot of dough. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil is like that friend who shows up to the party with a bag of chips, just $74. Reviewers mention that while the Dirt Devil is great for those on a budget, some feel that the Bissell, despite its higher price, offers better cleaning performance, especially for pet owners. Now onto cleaning power. The Bissell features powerful spinning mop pads that tackle tough, sticky messes on wood, tile, and linoleum. Reviewers rave about its ability to clean grout lines effectively, making it a favorite for those with health issues. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil relies on steam and is quick to heat up, providing powerful steam that leaves floors clean and barely damp. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity, especially for sealed hard floors, but some miss the deeper clean that the Bissell provides for tougher messes. Let's talk runtime. The Bissell SpinWave boasts an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, providing up to 20 minutes of runtime. Users love its cordless freedom, but express disappointment over the battery life, with some suggesting it could be improved. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil has a 180-degree swivel head for maneuverability and doesn't have a battery limitation, but some users find it uncomfortable due to its height. Reviewers appreciate the Dirt Devil's ease of use for quick cleans, while others prefer the Bissell for its versatility with pets. Ease of use is crucial. The Bissell comes with multiple pads and trial-size formulas, making it user-friendly, especially for pet owners. Reviewers find it easy to operate, though some note the battery life could be better. In contrast, the Dirt Devil is straightforward. Just fill it with water, wait for 30 seconds, and you're ready to steam. Reviewers love its quick setup, but some mention the discomfort while using it, particularly for taller individuals. Overall, while both products are easy to use, the Bissell offers more features for pet owners. In summary, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop is highly rated for its effectiveness in tackling tough messes, especially in pet households, despite concerns over battery life. The Dirt Devil Steam Mop is praised for its quick setup and steam cleaning ability, making it a great budget-friendly option, but some users have reported discomfort during use. So who's the winner of this mop-off? It really depends on your cleaning style. If you're a pet owner with sticky situations, the Bissell SpinWave might be worth the investment. But if you're looking for a quick clean on a budget, the Dirt Devil is an excellent choice. Just remember, whether you're spinning or steaming, always clean responsibly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.